Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create tables in HTML. First, we are going to write table, tab, then we open and close the table tag. Anything inside here will be a part of the table. Now, jumping to the table rows, the TR tag. Inside the table row, we have our information. Inside the TR tag, we can have one of the two tags. TH and TD. TH it's the table heading and TD it's the table data. So for the table heading we can put our name, last name, age, seems fair, and our occupation. We'll check how it looks like in the Go Live extension. There we go. This is already looking like this. We don't have CSS, but I will teach you in the next video. Now, we are going to create another table row. It will include a row, but now information instead of headings. We write TD. Now, we put one name, John. Last name Russ, I don't know if it even exists, but age 43. Occupation could be lawyer. Here we go. Name John, last name Russ, age 43, occupation lawyer. Now, to make another row, we can just copy, paste. It's just the same, and change the data. And as you can see, the table has changed as well. In this video, it's the only thing that I will teach you guys, the basics of the table. So, thank you guys and see you soon.